Yo, what is good, YouTube? My name is Ty, and my blog is askeen.com. Here for another video. And today's video is to how can you use money as a tool. And it took me a long time to get my mind wrapped around that, because when you're your teens and you're 17, 18 years old, when you're 20, 23, 24 years old, some people like me included was not thinking about money. Wasn't thinking about using your money as a tool to build more money. I wasn't thinking about that until like I hit 30, and I'm like, I'm tired of working hard for money. I'm tired of working hard for money, and I didn't get something else. I can't rely on my job neither, because my job during that time was going through a lot of hardship, and we lost some business, and we got our hours cut, and that impacted my paycheck because I got paid by the hour. So when I got a little older, I started to realize that having a job is great to have to pay your bills, but if I were to get laid off, I'll be out back, and if my hours get cut, I'll be out back, meaning I'll be short. I'll be in a bad situation. So when I got older, I think about how can I start building these assets to make me money while I'm still working. So one way I started buying is dividend paying stocks. Okay, I started buying dividend paying stocks for myself. And the number one reason why I buy stocks is because they pay dividends. They pay me money to buy the stocks. So they pay me a certain percentage every month, every quarter, annually. And this money comes in pretty much, it comes in. So I buy stock for $10 and I get maybe 10 cents back every month. I buy mostly monthly paying stocks. I want a monthly income. So I use my own money to buy these stocks. And these stocks over time will grow. You know what I'm saying? They will grow over time. So some stocks worth $20 5 years ago, now I can buy them at $5. Now every stock goes up and down, peaks and valleys. You look at my profile right here for the year. I should be, positive. I'm plus $55.59 right now. I'm plus 4.26%. I buy dividend paying stocks as a source of income. That's the only reason why I buy these stocks. That's another source of income. Is when I get paid, I can buy a few stocks, have some ownership in those companies. One, two, have some passive income, and have assets. I'm buying assets where I'm buying this to make me more money, to make me money. You feel what I'm saying? So let's look at Apple Realty real quick. This is a REIT. And look at the last 5 years. In the last 5 years, this company's been steady. You know what I'm saying? The company's been real steady. Now, I don't know how long Airbnb has been around, but it might have took a little dip. Airbnb, it's still going down now because less people not traveling, but it's pretty consistent. You know what I'm saying? Pretty consistent. There's a good time to buy it right now while I'm taping this video, but I get paid. I got 10 shares, and they pay 10 cents a share. Right here, they pay 10 cents a share, so I make $1 a month. Now, that's not a lot of money. All right, it's not a lot of money, but I make my money back within a year and a half. I make my money back with that stock. So if I had a stock for the next 10 years, I'd probably make all my money back. You know what I'm saying? I make all my money back. The dividend might go up. You know what I'm saying? The dividend will go up. I can use that money however I want to. So money is just a tool to build more money. I got stuck in the mind frame of, having a job, get a great paying job, and relying on that. But what we should be focusing on, I'm gonna teach my son this too. It's okay to have a job, but make sure outside your job, you're using that money to build something outside your job. You feel what I'm saying? Build something else outside of it to make you some income. Because if that job decide to fire you, whatever, or shut down tomorrow, and then you can do about it. You know what I'm saying? When my company got bought out, they laid people off. You know what I'm saying? They laid off, I don't know, 50 people. They laid off people. You know what I'm saying? They laid off people. So that can happen to anybody. You could work at your job one day, next day, somebody bought them out, and they bring their people in and fire you or let you go. And what can you do? So another way that I use my money is YouTube. I don't use a lot of money with YouTube, but you can use a little bit of money to buy some advertisements. But YouTube is another way to make some income besides my job. You feel what I'm saying? Now I'm getting money outside my job. You know what I'm saying? Another way using money is starting a blog. The blog is very cheap. You're talking about $10 to $15 for a domain name, and you might spend $5 per month on hosting. You get your blog or website up. You start every day, every weekend. You build on it 3 times a week. You write a blog post, and over time, you start getting traffic and start making money. You know what I'm saying? So YouTube, blogging, and buying stocks, is what I'm doing right now. My money, right now. Every time I get paid, I buy some stocks. I said I pay my bills first. I save a little bit of money in case an emergency happens. I didn't buy them clothes. I buy that. But any extra, I'm buying stocks with it. I'm buying stocks. And you've not seen my videos. I'm buying stocks. I got 30 stocks. I'm just guessing. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's about. I have a little 30 stocks, probably more than that I want to invest in. Right. So my goal is to buy enough stock and ETFs. I do ETFs too. I make sure I buy enough stocks to make $1. You know what I'm saying? So I have 30 stocks at $1. I'm making $30 a month. You know what I'm saying? My goal is to get to $100 a month. So every month I'm getting $100. That's not a whole lot of money. You know what I'm saying? And that would take time. I probably invest $100 here, $50 here, $35 here. I buy 2 of these stocks and be done for the week till I get paid again. But if I start now for the next 3 years, how far would I be at? Just imagine I'm making. It's possible you can make $500 a month with stocks. Every single month you get $500 a month, and then you don't have to work for it. You don't have to, get a second job. $100 a month extra is okay. It's not a lot of money, but that pays your phone bill. That pays your internet bill if it's low enough. That put gas in your car for the week, for the couple weeks. That $100 helps. Cause guess what? I seen people get fired from a job, get walked out, and they had nothing coming in. They had nothing coming in. They don't have a side job. They don't have nothing else making money. They have nothing. They had to go out there and find a job quick. You feel what I'm saying? They got bills to pay. You know what I'm saying? They had nothing coming in but that last check from the job. And that might be half of what they get. Because they work the whole 2 weeks. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is use your money to start building something. Use your money. Your money is a tool. Your money is a tool to buy an investment. And stocks, dividend paying stocks are investments. Now, I started looking at vending machines lately. Me and my wife were doing vending machines a while ago. But I've been thinking about doing a vending machine. Because if you think about a vending machine, you buy the machine, $1,000, $2,000. Now I saw a guy on a YouTube video. He makes $500 a month on a vending machine. He'll go buy all the snacks for the Sam's Club. He'll go through to the vending machine, fill it back up maybe once every 3 weeks or once a month, collect all the money. He said he got a $2,000 machine, making him $500 per month. Now that's pretty decent. That's a good. You bought an asset. That vending machine gonna be there forever. So you're gonna make that money back plus extra. So use your money and think about what can I invest my money in that can make me money soon. I chose this route because it's cheaper. The blog is cheap. YouTube was free. And these stocks, you can buy these stocks here for $6.22 a pop. One of my favorite stocks here is this right here. It's an ETF. All right. And it paid me a dividend. It paid me a dividend on January 9th, 8 cents. It paid another dividend of 6 cents in January. And now it's February 13th, recording this video. Haven't got a dividend yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll probably get a dividend maybe end of January of a dividend coming up. But this thing was only $4.03. I mean, for $20, just $20, you could buy you an asset that can bring you money every month. So just think about it. Every month, every time you got paid, you spend $20 and buy 40. You buy what? 4, 8, 10, 12. You could probably buy 5 of these. You know what I'm saying? $4. Right now, it's what, $4? Yeah, 4, 8, 12, 16. So just say buy 4 for $20, and it's making you 8 cents a month. You know what I'm saying? You buy 10 of these, you make 80 cents. So you keep buying this every month. Do it for 3, 4 years. How much money you get back? You might get up to $5, $10 a month. You getting that. And then the good thing about what stocks is, once that money's spent, it's done. That money is behind you. See, the money I bought from portfolios. Let me look at one of my stocks here, like Prospect Capital. The low's up. I can slow today. Prospect Capital. I spent $91.84. All right, I got 14 shares of this business. I'm up 30% of today's return. I'm up 84% total return. Total return is 30 cents. I'm up 84 cents today. All right, so look at this here. I had 10 shares. I got 60 cents. I'm at 14, so I'm at that dollar range. I'm gonna get this money, and that money that I spent, the $91, is behind me. You know what I'm saying? That money's behind me. Now I'm focused on new money. And think about this: how many times you bought something from a store or a restaurant, it wasn't good, you didn't like it, it tastes bad, you gotta throw it away. Or how many times you bought something for $5 or $8, $9, and you didn't like it, you just threw it in the trash. You know what I'm saying? How many times have you done that out your life? What if you took that same money and bought a stock that's gonna give you money every month for years to come? And with these stocks, you can also pass down to your children as well as assets. So not only it benefits you, it benefits your kids too. You know what I'm saying? So with the blogs, with the YouTube channel, and the stocks, these are some easy ways you can start investing and start putting money in different places. The vending machine, don't know much about it. It's been on my mind for the last week or so about getting the vending machine. I do more homework on it if I invest in a vending machine. But I also want to do rental properties as well. I'm interested in doing real estate. And the good thing about stocks is you can invest in a REIT, a real estate investment trust, and that invest in real estate as well. So you can do it that way too. But how to use money as a tool, you find things that you could invest in, you put your money in the machine, it's going to spit out change every month. That's why I think the stocks are. I'm putting the $6.56 in the machine, and they're going to spit out every month, as long as I hold it, 8, 9 cents. Not a lot of money, but I bought enough to make me $1. Now I'm getting $1 back every month. That's all right. That's a small scale. I'm not throwing $1,000 into the account. I'm throwing 13, 14, 20 bucks into the account, and that's it. All right. So this is how you use money as a tool. That's how I'm doing it now. I'm doing stocks. I'll do update review. I'm buying some stocks tomorrow, just to buy enough to make $1. And some of these stocks here are paying 10 cents a share, 11 cents a share. So I'm gonna show you one right here if it loads up. This is a real estate REIT. So invested in real estate. If you look at the past 5 years, we'll that load up. But right now it's $11.60. I own one share of this. I'm gonna buy some more. The dividend right now is 16 cents a share for one share. That's major. That's huge. The dividend yield is, if I can find it, I'm gonna pass it. I got excited. 5.5%. You know what I'm saying? It's founded in 2008. You know what I'm saying? Can't and what's with the 5 year? What's with the 1 month? Let me see. What's with the 1 month? Or at least the 1 year. Well, anyway, it's $11.60, and it pays monthly. Let's see. It about to show it, but it didn't. But this pays monthly. Yeah, 'cause I bought a share on December 6th. I bought it for $12.37. Now it's down to $11.60. So here's the graph here. And 1 week has dropped. Something happened with the company. Now it's starting to go back up. So 60 cents a share is major. That's a huge dividend compared to 8 9 cents I was getting. So think of small things you can buy. Use your paycheck, pay your bills, live your life, but also save a little bit of money, invest a little bit of money, start you a blog, start writing down content, start a YouTube channel, start 2 YouTube channels. I got 2 YouTube channels. Start your YouTube channel, start doing content, start your blog, start running content. Every time you get paid, buy you a few stocks. You could buy 4 to 5 $4 stocks, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? Just to get your feet wet and get 6 cents a month, and or you keep buying over time, that stock can make you $5 or $10 per month. Not a lot of money, but it takes a lot of money to get this thing started. But you don't invest all your money. You put in $30 or $40 into it and buy some stocks, and then also in the meantime you're building your YouTube and you're building your blogs as well at the same time. So how you use money as an investment? You got to nowadays, because jobs are very scarce these days. Automation is coming in, taking all the jobs. You go to Walmart now. I mean, it's half cashiers, half those self checkouts, and Kroger, Walmart. Everyone's doing kiosks now. Just imagine those spaces was 5 years ago, 6 years ago was cashiers going through there. Now it's half cashiers, half kiosks right now, or self checkouts now. So automation is making things harder for people to work. I seen they're making now machines that can cut your grass for you. That's solar power. So the machine could cut your whole yard using solar power. Well, that's going to hurt people who cut grass for a living. So automation is taking over. Automation is starting to take over. So start building these things now on the smaller scale and use your money as a tool. Stop buying all this crazy stuff. These rims on cars, window tinted, Jordans everywhere, True Legend jeans. These jeans cost $200-300. It's crazy. It don't need all that. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather buy some stocks than buy some rims in my car now. When I was younger, it's different. But that's the end of my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. If you want to start a blog, below the video I have a link to Bluehost. If you want to start using Robinhood to buy stocks, I have a link to that as well. My name is Tyler, That'sKing.com. Thanks for watching.